Country, Mexico. Mexico has two principal police forces in national remit. The first one is the Uniform Police, or also known as the Policia Federal. And the second one is Plainclothes Investigation Forces, or also known as the Federal Ministerial Police. Policia Federal is responsible in enforcing the law within the community to maintain the peace and order, and also to preserve the community relationship. The Federal Ministerial Police is responsible in criminal investigations, performing arrests, and conducting intelligence with the support of federal prosecutions. Mexico authority is under the Federal Republic that composed of 31 states and federal districts. The similarities and differences of police forces in Mexico and Philippines. The differences. Mexico is under the decentralized, wherein their order came from other leaders. It is not consistent because it is under the federal, when the Philippines is under the centralized because we have the Philippine National Police, wherein they are the one who enforce the law enforcement with the order of our president and no other leaders. The similarities of them is Mexico and Philippines under the police forces, they both using excessive police force in one criminals, that they are the one who is violating the human rights. And my opinion, if I like it or not, I will gonna stick in our police forces wherein we have the Philippine National Police who enforce the law within our community, and it has the proper order from the president and to these subordinates.